Nearly 3/4 of the world is covered by water, so it only makes sense that many architects and developers have their sights set on the sea. Here are 10 concepts for underwater skyscrapers. Number 10. Water scraper. More than a residential or office building, this complex bills itself as a completely self-reliant floating city. Food would be grown in hydroponic farms and energy supplied by harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and waves. Number 9. The Gyre. Doubling as a research facility and a resort, this locale would allow visitors to enjoy 360-degree underwater views while studying the watery world around them. Further, finding a parking space wouldn't be a problem, as it is designed with ports generous enough to house even the largest of ships. Number 8. Poseidon Resorts. In the years, developers have been talking about making this underwater getaway in Fiji a reality. Thousands have expressed interest in being its guests. Number 7. Lady Landfill Skyscraper. Designed to resemble an inverted Eiffel Tower, this building project doubles as a residential site and a recycling facility. It is to be located near the multi-million-ton collection of garbage that has formed in the Pacific and would get its energy by converting the trash into fuel. Number 6. Subbiosphere 2. Developed by the mind behind Arizona's Biosphere 2, this iteration of the enclosed world concept is meant for underwater habitation. It is designed to house 100 people and would include a seed bank to provide food for them. Number 5. Ocean Spiral. The mechanisms that make this subaquatic city livable are located in its swirling base. Above that is an area designated for residences, and emerging from the water's surface are leisure, retail, and research spaces that ensure it will be a bustling, thriving place to live. Number 4. Sea Orbiter. Similar to the International Space Station, except that it would function underwater, the research vessel would serve as a lab designed for long-term stays, allowing sites to be investigated that currently aren't accessible. Missions could also provide insights into ways for humans to survive in underwater worlds. Number 3. Water Discus Hotel. Featuring sun decks above the water's surface and over 20 submerged luxurious quarters below, this hotel in Dubai is planned to be the largest underwater hospitality venue in the world. Number 2. SeaWorld. Though it looks like an alien spaceship, this aquatic facility is designed to perform the important task of picking up the trash. A recycling plant would be featured at its top, and underwater are numerous layers of filters and water cleaners. Number 1. SIFE. With sea levels rising and threatening to engulf many populous residential areas, living on what land remains may soon become prohibitively expensive, particularly in Australia. That's where this underwater city comes in. It has the means to provide both electricity and sustainable farms, which will ensure continued food supplies. Which underwater development do you think is most exciting?